Welcome allemaal, het is de Career Fair.
So today we had our successful Eldorado Offshore Career Workshop or Career Fair at the Assuria High-Rise Building Event Center. We had about 1,500 participants who are willing to take the opportunity to come here and learn about how they could adequately and professionally write their CV or submit it, how they can upscale it, but also what onshore or the offshore positions are and how they can actually identify which one of these positions they can apply for.
Through our local content development initiatives, such as the career workshops that we've just had in Suriname and what we plan to do in Guyana and even Trinidad as well, we hope to empower persons locally in each of these entities to chart their plan for their career paths and to also find the jobs that they truly desire and that will truly bring them the lifestyle that they want to live. One of the things I learned about local content development and capacity building is the more we focus on it and develop it, is the more we are able to embrace the beautifully broad spectrum of human experience and value creation. It is my belief that what matters in a new global economy is not just return on investment, but more so return on imagination. This is why at Eldorado Offshore we believe everyone deserves opportunities. We believe everyone deserves the opportunity to realize their truest and greatest potential. We believe everyone deserves the opportunity to find a job of their calling and to find a job that they love.
I'm very excited that EDO, since its establishment, has been growing tremendously. Also, I think you should stay tuned. And if you haven't submitted your resume to me, you know I will check it out. So do so at recruitment.sur, that's SUR, at eldoradooffshore.com.